guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn Nazali. Nazali. I have been, I have become, I have reached the state of, I have been created. Example, I am, I'm in act or the state of, I'm by nature. Right, so let's go. I'm a boy. Nazali Mobali. Nazali Mobali. I'm a girl. Nazali Mwasi. Nazali Mwasi. I'm a child. Nazali Mwana. Nazali Mwana. I'm here. Nazali Awa. Nazali Awa. I'm speaking. Nazali Koloba. Nazali Koloba. I'm cooking. Nazali Kolamba. Nazali Kolamba. I'm walking. Nazali Kosala. Nazali Kosala. I'm dancing. Nazali Kobina. Nazali Kobina. I'm driving a car. Nazali Kokumba Motuka. I'm working. Nazali Kotambola. Nazali Kotambola. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. The next lesson is coming soon. Otimbi na timbelio. You got it? I got you.